everybody and welcome to today's video. It is another bookish video, I'm afraid. Crochet's coming tomorrow, but today I'm going to be opening my Illumicrate subscription box. If you want to see what's in this fantastic box, then keep watching. So the Illumicrate box was a quarterly subscription, and they have now moved it to a monthly subscription box. It's a UK based box. I have cancelled my subscription because I can't afford it monthly. Quarterly it was fine, I think it's about £30, but monthly I really can't afford it monthly, so now they've moved over to monthly. I've cancelled my subscription, but you can still buy month by month boxes if you get there in time when they release the boxes. So this is going to be my last Illumicrate, it's only my second because I only signed up, yeah, not that long ago, before Christmas, November I think I had a box. So this is actually really heavy. It is normally a YA based box, so without further ado, let's get in to the box. I have undone the sellotape. I haven't. Ooh, let's have a look. So, oh, focus. So, spoiler card, we won't be looking at that. I love this. So it's like a little pouch, pencil case, makeup bag that says the beautiful thing about books was that anyone could open them, and it's V.E. Schwab. Now V.E. Schwab wrote Vicious, Vengeful, The Dark Shade of Magic. She's got loads of books, Victoria Schwab. City of Ghosts, I think that's going to be made into a Netflix series. So that is lovely. I do like it. And then we have a tin. Love me a tin. So it's got a dragon on there and it says keep me. Just a normal like pencil tin. That'd be handy because I'm at uni. So I'll be using that, no doubt. I have no idea what it's from. It might be from Mulan actually, because it has a dragon. Oh my word. So a lot of these books, I'm not really into, like massively into YA. So I don't know what some of these are from. I don't know if these are from, let me look at the, sorry, I will show you now, these bookmarks. Let me look at the spoiler card. I still haven't got a clue. Anyway, it's Gods and Monsters is the theme, so there's some beautiful bookmarks. I will find out what they're from. I'm probably like the worst person because I don't really do fantasy. Yeah, there's some beautiful bookmarks. I shall find out what they're from. Photo challenge. Oh, the March Boxes Adventure awaits. And we have a sampler of the binding. Now I wanted to buy this book. I've seen it because it's so pretty and I do judge a book by its cover. So I will definitely be reading that, so I'm well aware I'm right in your face. This one is already out. So yeah, by Bridget Collins. So that is on my to read list. And then we have a sneak peek of the Red Scrolls of Magic. This box is like packed. That's another like Cassandra Clare sampler. So Cassandra Clare wrote the Mortal Instruments, that series. What else have we got? Oh, shut up. A brolly. Now I'm really oh, I've gone all blurry. Why am I all blurry? I don't know what happened there, it went all blurry. An umbrella. Now I am really suspicious, so I daren't open this, or shall I? But I'm really bad that I'm going to get like bad juju. Shall I just look on the spoiler card? I'm really scared to do it. Oh, from Strange the Dreamer. Right. Oh, I'm just going to go for it. So Strange the Dreamer is a book by Lani Taylor. This is probably going to be like, hang on, Alexandra clearly can't open a brolly. There you go, it has Strange the Dreamer. You've probably seen the books with the moth and the... That is lovely. I am loving this brolly. I'm probably going to get really bad luck now. And then we have a notebook. That is beautiful. I do love a notebook. And a letter from the author, which I love. I presume it's a letter from the author. Oh, what's this? Oh, a book, a lip scrub, peach. Why am I showing it to you like that? This is like the worst unboxing video ever. So it's just a peach lip scrub, which is always handy. And then we have, I don't even know what this is, and I'm scared to open it. No. So it's, I love this. I'm a Wagamama's addict. I can take my own chopsticks now to Wagamama's. So it's two amazing, beautiful chopsticks. You won't be able to see on here, but they have got like really beautiful like carving on them. And it says, I don't want an easy life, I want a meaningful one. And it's from Girls of Paper and Fire. That is amazing. Is anybody else a Wagamama's addict, or is it just me? Like, I love the noodles. And then we have the book, The Orphanage of Gods by Helena Coggan. And it's got sprayed edges and it's so pretty and I love it. So this is about, oh, it does say the next J.K. Rowling. And that kind of does wind me up when people put the next J.K. Rowling on people's books, because there's only one J.K. Rowling. So it says, 20 years ago, the humans came for their gods. In the bloody revolution, gods were all but wiped out. Ever since, the children they left behind have been imprisoned in an orphanage, watched day and night by the ruthless guard. Any who show signs of divine power vanish from their beds at night, all in the knowledge of their existence denied. I can't speak today. No one has ever escaped the orphanage until now. That sounds like a really good read, and it is a very, very pretty book, and it sounds right up my street. So, Illumicrate, that is amazing. You have surpassed yourself. Thank you so much. If you want to check out Illumicrate, I will leave their link for their site below. As I said, it has now gone to a monthly box. It is no longer quarterly. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed that. I'm going to find out what those bookmarks are from, because I'm like completely clueless, honestly. So yeah, that is it, everybody. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that awful unboxing. That's probably one of the worst unboxings I've ever done. And I'll be back tomorrow with a crochet video. Hurrah, people say. Take care and happy reading. Bye.